Okay, good afternoon, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is HAFIDZ YUONO. I want to present it about PMMC. PMMC, or Permanent Magnet Moving Coil, is an instrument that uses a permanent magnet and a moving coil to measure DC, direct current. PMMC is one such instrument which is popularly used on board for several applications. Principle of operation: the PMMC instrument operates on the motor principle, where a coil carrying current in a magnetic field experiences a force that produces torque. In PMMC device, a rectangular coil is placed between the poles of a permanent magnet. When DC flows through the coil, it generates a magnetic field that interacts with the permanent magnet field, causing the coil to rotate. This rotation deflects a pointer attached to the coil, with the deflection directly proportional to the current, enabling accurate DC measurement. This is the basic construction of a PMMC instrument. A moving coil instrument contains principally of a permanent magnet to offer a magnetic field and a small lightweight coil pivot within the field. A soft iron core is included between the poles of the magnet so that the coil rotates in the narrow air gap between the poles and the core. When a current is passed through the coil windings, a torque is exerted on the coil by the interaction of the magnet's field and the field set up by the current in the coil. The resulting deflection of the coil indicated by a pointer that moves over a calibrated scale. Application of the PMMC are on ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer, ohmmeter. The advantage of PMMC: the PMMC consumes less power and has great accuracy. It has uniformly divided scale and can offer arc of 270 degrees. The PMMC has a high torque to weight ratio. It can be modified as ammeter or voltmeter with suitable resistance. It had efficient damping characteristic and is not affected by stray magnetic field. And about disadvantage, the moving coil instrument can only be used on DC supply as the reversal of current produce reversal of torque on the coil. It is very delicate and sometimes use AC circuit with a rectifier. It is costly as compared to moving coil instrument. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thanks for your attention, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.